An overflow of blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Exodus chapter 38 and verse 9 up to verse 20. Around the sacred tent, Bezalel built a courtyard 44 meters long on the south and north and 22 meters wide on the east and west. He used 20 bronze posts on bronze stand on for the south and north and 10 for the west. Then he hung a curtain of fine linen on the posts along each of these three sides by using silver hooks and rods. He placed three bronze posts on each side of the entrance at the east and hung a curtain 6.67 meters wide on each set of posts. For the entrance to the courtyard, Bezalel made a curtain 9 meters long, which he hung on the four bronze posts that were set on bronze stand. This curtain was the same height as the one for the rest of the courtyard and was made of fine linen, embroidered and woven with blue, purple, and red wool. He hung the curtain on the four posts using silver hooks and rods. The pegs for the tent and for the curtain around the tent were made of bronze. So this courtyard is the perimeter fence of the tent of the tabernacle. See, the post is made of bronze and the wall of that perimeter fence is made of wool, meaning textile, not curtain, or should I say not cement, not metal, only textile, a wool made from fine linen. See, for a human perspective, putting a linen as a perimeter fence is a big disadvantage because we are fully aware of the strength of a linen. See, we must realize that during their time, it is war era and those materials can easily be destroyed by sword, by spear, or anything else. But God chose that kind of materials according to His plan and according to His will to for us to realize that even with those kind of materials, God is still capable of defending the Israelites. Yes, the bronze post might be sturdy enough, strong enough for it to withstand an enemy attack, but the wool or the linen is not strong enough as a wall. But God used that kind of materials because God's ways is higher than our ways. God indeed show His power through this. Imagine the perimeter fence of a sacred tent, of a tab- sacred tent of the tabernacle during the old days. So it will be a center of attraction even to the enemies. For the enemies, for them to enter that kind of place, the tent of the tabernacle, then they say that and then they see that the curtain, or should I say the wall, is just linen, then for them, in their point of view, it is easier for them to enter, and it is easier for them to take the other materials of the tent of the tabernacle, which are gold, which are valuable. For them, it will be a spoil of war. But because of this, God display His power. He can use even that kind of material for protection. That's how great our God is.